Jessica Frost Ballas here with a video for Hero Arts. Today I'm creating a cheery window scene with the beautiful Open Windows fancy die. I'm also using Reactive inks and Hero Hues colored cardstock to complete the scene, so let's get started. First, I've die cut the Open Windows fancy die from Dove White, Pebble, and Pitch Black Hero Hues cardstock. I reserve the window panes of the Dove White panel for my ink blending. I've placed the panes on a piece of tacky tape to hold them in place for my ink blending. I'm using blending brushes to apply Reactive inks and Fruit Punch, Creamsicle, and Lemon Drop to my window for a bright and cheery sunrise look. I go back and forth between my colors until I have a smooth transition. Then I set that aside to dry while I work on the rest of the card. Next, I trim the shutters of my Pebble Gray window and use liquid precision glue to adhere it to the pitch black shutters. I set it aside to dry while I stamp the sentiment for my card. I used my stamp positioner tool to stamp a sentiment from Signpost Stampin' Cut XL onto an A2 panel of Dove White cardstock. I stamp it with VersaFine and then heat emboss it with clear embossing powder. I adhere the shutters to my card panel and then apply a little liquid glue inside each window pane. I carefully peel the blended panes off the tacky tape and fit them into each window. Off camera, I let that dry while I die cut lots of flowers and greenery from the Open Windows fancy die set using Adriatic, Cranberry, and Cherry cardstock. I also die cut the window planter from Sand cardstock. First, I adhere the planter with foam mounting tape for a little extra dimension. Then I arrange all my flowers and greenery around the window and adhere it with liquid glue. Since the pieces are tiny, I prefer to put a little puddle of glue on a piece of scrap paper and dip the pieces into the glue before adhering them to my card. This tends to create less mess than trying to apply glue directly to the card panel or to the back of the die-cut pieces. Finally, I adhere the small and medium-sized yellow enamel dots to the center of each flower for a little more dimension and a pop of sunny color. And that's it! You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below or over on the Hero Arts blog. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the Hero Arts channel for lots of crafty inspiration. Until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!